Hello class, welcome to e-learning session, and today we are going to learn chapter number 5 of science. Okay, and the name of chapter is solid, liquid and gases. So in this chapter we will learn about the solid, liquid, gases change of form. Okay, and here you can see the activity time. So firstly we will know we use many things like paper, pen, wood, chair, box, water, oil, air in our daily life. So some things are solid, some are liquid and some are gases. So we have to recognize ice is solid, water is liquid and steam is gas. Solid, liquid and gases are three forms of which things around us exist. There are only three things. Okay. So turn your page. So now one by one we will know about firstly solids. What is solids? So you can see the around your use like table, chair, cards, pen, book and ice and uh, like pencil, rubber, all things are solids. And liquid, what is liquid? Water, milk, juice, oil, these are liquid thing. And what is the gases? Gases is like carbon dioxide, oxygen, and these are gases. Okay, water, oil, milk, juice and coffees are some things that do not have a fixed shape. They flow easily and can be poured. They take the shape of the containers in which they are kept. Okay, things that flow easily and take the shape of the container in which they are kept are called liquids. And gases, air presents all around us is mixture of gases. It consists of gases like nitrogen, oxygen and carbon dioxide. Gases are often invisible. Gases are not visible. They do not have a fixed shape and size. Things which do not have a fixed shape and size are called gases. Hydrogen, helium and steam are other examples of gases. Like liquid gases can also flow. Okay. So now here you can see the picture, and here table, difference between solid, liquid and gases. So this is a very important thing. We will know about the difference between solids, liquids, gases. So solid, number one, solids have a fixed shape, liquid do not have a fixed shape and gases do not, gases are also do not have a fixed shape. Number two, solids have a fixed size but liquids have a fixed, solid have a fixed size, liquids have not a fixed size. Here is a mistake. And gases do not have a fixed size. Now 3, solid do not flow but liquids flow easily and gases also flow. Okay, now turn your page. Okay, and this page we will know about the change of form. So here this is the example and these are some methods about the change of forms. Water exists in all their forms. Solid means ice, liquid, water and gas, steam or water vapor. The three forms of water can change from one form to another. Okay. So firstly melting. Melting is the process of which is solid changes into liquid on being heated. And now when you boil water, it changes into steam. The process is which is liquid changes into gas on heating is called evaporation. Okay. So I have explained what is melting, what is evaporation. So now again turn your page children. So now we will know. So here, so hold a plate over a containers containing boiling water using the long. What do you see? You see teeny droplets of water on the inner sides of the plate. When steam touches the plate, it cools down and changes into water droplets. This process is called condensation. Okay, so here is the example of condensation. Condensation is the process of which gas changes into liquid on cooling. Okay, when you keep water in a freezer, it changes into ice. The process in which a liquid changes into solid on cooling is called freezing. So here you can see ice solid. Firstly, melting, water and evaporation, steam, condensation and again freezing. Okay, so here you can see the some um, definition of some words like melting. What is melting? Melting is the process of which is soil convert into liquid on heating. Okay, so what is evaporation? Evaporation is the process in which a liquid converts into gas on heating. And what is the condensation? Condensation is the process in which gas converts into liquid on cooling. So, and next, freezing. Freezing is the process in which a liquid convert into solid on cooling. Okay, so this is the, let's the revise. So you have to revise. Okay, I will not revise. So again turn your page. So now come to the some questions. So brick is this is a tick the correct answer. You have to tick in the correct answer. So brick is example of solid. Right answer is solid. Which is the following is an example of gas, book, milk, juice, oxygen. The right answer is oxygen. Okay, which of the following can flow easily? Water, eraser, book, chair. Water, because chair is cannot flow easily. When you keep water in a freezer, it changes into ice. Okay, right answer is ice. The process of changing into the ice into water on heating is called the process of changing ice into water on heating is called evaporation. Okay, and next, sorry, the process of changing into water on ice into melting. Okay, right answer is melting. I have confused. So now here you can fill in the blanks. You can do. So firstly, dash is the process in which gas changes into liquid or on cooling. Is the process condensation which gas changes into liquid on cooling. Dash and stone are example of chair and stone are example of solid. Okay, milk and juice are liquid. Okay, carbon dioxide and oxygen are gases. Liquids can flow easily and can be poured. Okay, now here give two examples on each. So now this question you have to do yourself. Okay, so this chapter is over. Thank you and have a nice